car show. It is snowing. Today's a nice day, Red. Yeah. This is the first. Oh, this is the first time with a car show. Yeah. I got the. What's that? Yes, I'll be in a zombie gang. Yes. Who are you? Huh? Of course. Yes. What's your name? God, I'm name's Godzilla 2004. Wow, I've never seen your life before. But how you real? I'm not real, but I'm real still. You want to play the game? You got another perk? Yes, I got another perk. Oh wait, so what's the chorus? There's one here. Okay. I got the iPad. Oh, good. That's what I mean. What about me? Can you read you? Read you? I've been working in a zombie game. Yeah, get your own game. You ready? Yeah. But what about me? If you want to play, you have to play. That's like this. Look. So what are you doing? We're doing something. Like what? Look, it's 411. I'm something. Sorry. It's like, hey, let's go. Come, Fred. Yeah, you can watch. So what do we pick? Oh, I had 22%. Let's go on some. Let's go on a movie. Right there. Wow, this is the first time I see this. Yeah, playing the zombie game. We didn't know what's going on. What, can you put John Kennedy? No, we're watching 2017. Oh, okay. Hey guys. Wow, this coming also. Shh, quiet. Godzilla. Yeah, that's my folder. 2017? Yep. Wow, this is awesome. Oh, that's not mine. Oh, my phone been cat game for several years. What? Yeah. That's my father. He died, but he's still alive. So he was in the sand. Whoa, that's not cool. God, he was showing, my dad was showing the whole city. He beat King Kong. That was my favorite movie ever. Whoa, guys, I got electric. Electric? Yeah. He died. Hey, Butterbar, how are you gonna do this? No, your guess is no. Just swear. Play a zombie game? Go on now. Yeah. Why can I play a zombie game? Because it's this. Wait a minute. I'm gonna get the record. Hey you! Oh my god! Ouch! In your face! Why do you do that? Mama called the hospital. Or call the ambulance. Ooh. 911. Mercy. Godzilla sniper was injured. What? Yes. Okay, we're coming. Okay, come on, let's go. Help me. What you done? I'm sorry, bro. 2 hours later for those with knock recovery. Up. So what happened? He suffered from brain damage, and also he suffered a heart attack and brain damage. Brain damage and a heart attack? Yes. He's really painful, but he's putting more pain. Damn, what happened to you, bro? Listen, he's annoying. So he got sent in hospital for 1 week on Sunday. Ah! He got me! Sorry. gotta wait. So he'll be in hospital for 1 week on Sunday. Ah! Oh well, he was right. Oh, bang! Go away. You'll be recovering on Sunday. Sunday? You get to that for it. I'm sorry, bro. Oh, we'll be right back. That's an hospital, bro. No! Don't leave me! No! Oh, God. Not another one, guys. Godzilla 294 has been injured. Suffered from a heart attack and a brain damage. He'll be returned on Sunday. See ya. Bye.